What's up, my friend, everybody? Talking about tourism. Here I offer a very good place. Namely, Aling Aling Waterfall. This place is located in Bali, North Singaraja, Sambanan, village. Here there is not only one waterfall and not just a waterfall, but there are 4 waterfalls. And here you can do various attractions as shown in this video. Very fun, right? For the location not too far from the parking lot, only 15 minutes you have arrived at the waterfall. So bikos that let's come here and try the activities guaranteed. You will be very happy. If you want to come here, remember, don't yourself, better come with your friends, then it will be more exciting. And remember to capture your experience here, because there is only one in Bali and there is no other place. See you here, my friend, all I'm waiting for your arrival. Bye, bye. Have a nice day.